Hi, I am Ayla. During our regular surveying work, using traditional total stations cannot record image data for the measured points. We have to rely on remembering codes for each point, which often leads to mistakes during the office drawing phase. That's why we're excited to introduce the HTS-720's Imaging for Recording Points feature, which can capture a photo while measuring a point. Then the total station can mark the point's location on the image, making it easier for surveyor to remember the measurement point accurately. Click Measurement. Click Measure, enter the measurement interface. Click on the 3 points icon in the upper right corner, click on Configure, slide up the left list, click on Image, turn on the Note switch. Now you can use the Imaging for Recording Points function. Return to the measurement interface, aim at the point to be measured, click Mise and store. The measured point with image will be saved. Click on the point library icon in the upper right corner. Click on the point that was just measured, and click Note to view the position of the measurement point in reality.